Hi everyone, today we're making some oven-baked buffalo wings. To a bowl, add 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Mix it up and add some pepper, followed by the chicken wings. Then get them all nice and coated. Place on a suspended baking tray. Once you have them on the tray, we're going to refrigerate this for 1 hour. We will then melt down an entire stick of butter, add 1 tablespoon of honey, and a half cup of your favorite wing sauce. Melt it down and let everything get to know each other. Place your refrigerated chicken wings into a nice big bowl. Then pour on that awesome hot sauce. Mix everything up and make sure the chicken has a nice, even coating. After everything's all coated, you're going to place back on a tray and bake for 25 minutes. While your chicken's baking, you can hang out, relax, pour yourself an adult beverage if you like, or clean your now sticky counters. After 25 minutes have elapsed, bring out your wings and flip them. Once you have flipped your wings, return them to the oven for 25 further minutes, and you're done. Eat them while they're hot, with whatever side you'd like. And as always, enjoy and happy cooking.